Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on wherever you are. My name is Winnie Okidi, the daughter of the late Onyango Odongo, formerly the Director for Information and Mass Mobilization with NRM Secretariat. Fellow countrymen and women, listen to this interview very, very carefully by my dad, the late Onyango Odongo. These are words from a very experienced politician who lived through all the governments that ruled Uganda. And this should guide you so that you know what's wrong with our country or what is going on with our country. Not that we can only correct some of the problems we are facing if we can correctly address issues raised in that interviews. I thank you so much.